What it do, Savage family? Yes, we back with another reaction video, man. Today we're gonna be reacting of a woman stealing a Marion County Sheriff's Office car. So let's get into this video.
On February 1st, 2024, a Marion County Sheriff's deputy responded to a call at the Forest Shopping Center in Silver Springs, Florida, regarding a woman attempting to steal another woman's car keys. When the deputy arrived, the woman approached his patrol car, acting as if she were the one who had called for help. As the deputy walked around the back of his vehicle to speak with her, she suddenly jumped through the open passenger side window and led law enforcement on a high-speed 4.5-mile chase.
She's crazy.
No. Stop! You get so fast, she just got in my car, took off. Eastbound on Highway 40 past the substation. Were you the one who called us?
Yes. I'm still like really shaking. Okay, thank you. Did you know her? No, she tried to take my keys.
We know her.
Oh. She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride, said she needed to get out of this place.
During the pursuit, she drove into oncoming traffic, ignored all traffic signals, and reached speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, nearly causing multiple collisions.
On Highway 40 past the substation.
Damn. That's crazy. It's crazy she jumped in the window. Damn, bro, it says she's going 114 miles per hour. Speed's increasing. Damn.
Excuse me to all stations, I need help. This is a fake route.
Hey, route. What the fuck are you talking about? Like they know her, it means she's probably mentally ill. Beating herself and shit.
All right. You told me to fuck my gun that.
We're now passing the weigh station.
Oh man. Volusia County, guys. Sorry, Volusia County. I said Marion County. Oh man.
600 Marion, just turn around and now like westbound. Yeah, 475 westbound.
Excuse me, I need the real police.
Excuse me, I need the real police. Nigga, you got some issues. Why? She talking to her damn self, bro. It's crazy.
All units on East 13, switch to taxi.
No, before you switched. This is wrong.
She tweaking.
Deputies deployed stop sticks ahead, but she noticed the police vehicle with its lights on and turned around to avoid them, nearly losing control of the vehicle.
Safety 316, she did advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler. And she's turning around. She's conducting a U-turn. She is going eastbound.
That lady ain't stupid. She crazy, but not stupid. Damn, she hollering ass, boy.
Watch out, I'm telling you. When she turned around? Okay, bitch. Oh, we're coming for you. Not that, no, we're not. I promise.
How can I goddamn
A
self?
few miles later, while trying to pass a semi-truck on the shoulder, she lost control of the car and crashed into a pickup truck.
Dang it, man. Fuck. Damn, dog. You done killed somebody, dog. No, they ain't survived that.
Signal 4, signal 4.
Signal 4 station 1033.
Damn.
Stay away from the car! Stay away from the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Damn, that car.
6316 back signal 4, send next to 18.
We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay? Hello?
Signal 4, another vehicle.
You guys okay?
Lady, ain't nobody finna talk after that.
Hello?
You tweaking.
I don't know where she's at. There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here.
Hold on.
Get them, get them, get them.
Bro, how the hell you don't know where she at when that bitch total? That bitch gone. Like, come on, man. She just said, I don't know where she at. Where the fuck she gonna go? That bitch smashed the fuck up. Bro, and then she just, bro, oh my God, man. She just ran into a pickup truck with a family probably inside, minding their own business, probably try to go along with their day, and she just crashed into them, man. This is crazy, bro. Let's get back into this video, man. This shit is crazy.
Marion, I got the police crews are on fire.
Marion,
Hey, Millers, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher.
that bitch on fire.
Fire extinguisher. Get it over here. Get it over here.
Oh, Marion County.
It's really hot right here. Really
Marion
hot.
County, guys. Marion
Really
County.
hot.
I knew I had it right the first time, man. Ain't no way she survived that.
Mine's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It should be on the right. Do we have any vision or any contact talking?
Damn, that car fucked up.
At least 3 occupants. Sheriff's office. Everyone okay?
That's sad, dog.
6360. I got 3 occupants unresponsive in the other vehicle.
Damn, I know the driver didn't survive.
Partner is calling 911 for help will be sent to that location. Can anyone hear me?
Fucking crazy, dog.
I need one fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Let's make sure they're good.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this doesn't start a fire because it's leaking oil.
Okay.
I don't know if that smoke's coming from. Shit. There's still a flame inside there.
Okay. Check this one.
There's a flame coming through that firewall, but
She said
get on this one. Where's she at?
if she's right there. I don't know if you can get through that hole.
Damn. Now he's spraying out too? Look like it.
All right. Unresponsive.
Yeah. I can't get to the one on the right though.
Okay.
Little ways.
They're gonna have to chop it out.
Let's see.
I think there's around 4 around went west to the east.
I need a minute.
You okay?
I need a minute.
Okay. Sit down if you need to. Sit down if you need to. You're not hurt, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You look upset.
Three in the car, Sarge. She's signal 7. She.
How is Woody? Is he okay?
I believe Woody's fine. You moving?
I'm so fucking mad right now, bro.
Hey, don't beat yourself up.
No, it's not. I'm pissed off at her because now she just fucking caused 3 people to fucking die because she wanted that they could fucking patrol car.
Push back about a mile. Get back.
Oh.
Damn, hold that. She wanna beat her ass. Can't beat a dead woman ass. Well, you can, but shit, ain't no point. Sit the.
Okay. You're good. You're good.
Hi.
I'm not sure what updates you've had. We got 3 entrapped in the black truck. The female's entrapped inside of the patrol car. She looks signal 7, and it looks like the 3 occupants of the black truck are all unresponsive as well. They want to pass her along with her.
Damn, signal 7 must be dead. Signal 7. Damn. Patrol car 89.
All units
Wrecked
coming
like a
on scene.
motherfucker.
Keep the roadway clear so medics can pull down Highway 40.
Damn, that truck fucked up, man.
Just let medics pull down the opposite lane of travel.
Man, that truck fucked up, boy.
Are they all 6'7"?
We want to check this one real quick if we can break one of them free. But believe to be.
Wow.
We seen it.
We got one freaking better.
This is so wrong.
You on?
Yeah.
What the fuck happened?
I guess Woody left his car open and they're dealing with this crazy lady and she stole his car.
They call her. I don't know.
First of all, my boy, Woody didn't leave his car open. The crazy motherfucker hopped in the goddamn passenger side window and got in the driver's seat. So stop blaming Woody. You speaking before you even know what the fuck going on, man. Shout out to Woody. Let's get back into this video.
Oh.
I told him I had 3 occupants.
That truck fucked up.
She and 2 occupants of the truck were pronounced dead on scene, while a 3rd occupant taken to a local hospital in critical condition.
That's crazy, bro. Ain't no telling that there were kids in the car or... That's fucked up. All because you was on bad-ass drugs, tweaked out, and seeing shit, hearing shit and shit. You want to take a car and kill other people, man. Fucking... I don't even want to say it.
Good.
Man, that's crazy, man.
Would you be interested in collecting 5-figure paychecks for a few hours of work?
Scam. Fucking scam. Well, Savage family. Well. Boy. Send my condolences to the families who lost, they loved ones in the accident, man. The girl, I don't know, lady, girl, whatever, she was tweaked out on drugs or something. Hopped in the passenger window of a patrol car when the officer was getting out. Hopped in the driver's seat, took off with the car, going 100 and some miles per hour, driving reckless, taking somebody else's life, man. That's fucked up. But hey, man, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. Hit that thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? And Savage family, we're gonna be reacting to more videos, man. I got a new camera coming soon, so look forward to seeing that new camera, man. But yeah, man, Savage family, we out. That's the end of this reaction. I'll see y'all later.